Well, DJ, back with another tip of the day. Now, hopefully by now you've had a chance to play around with the revolutionary stem separation control in Virtual DJ. Now, with the latest release, we've added the ability to use certain effects and other controls that you can apply directly to each particular stem and not affect the other parts of the track. Here's how to do it. You can access stem effects in the lower right-hand corner of the stem's pad bank. Now, clicking on the stem's effect button will toggle between vocal effects, melody effects, rhythm effects, and turning the stem's effects off. Now you'll notice I did mute the vocals on this track for the intro of this video. Let's re-enable them and add some effects using the stem's vocal effects mode. Now click on one of the effect slots to enable that effect and use the slider control to adjust the main parameter. To adjust more settings, click on the plus button next to the effect to show the effect setting window in the side view. Now, let's add a different effect to the melody. Click on the stem's effect button to change to melody effects mode and enable one of the slot effects. And now, let's add a beat effect to the rhythm stem and see how it sounds. Click on the pad to change the stem's effects mode to rhythm and enable a slot effect. Some additional controls can also be used in combination with stems effects. For example, you can apply some of the channel's color effects to specific stems. Here's what happens when applying the filter to the vocal stem. You can also unlock additional creativity by combining the slip mode with stems effects. With slip mode enabled, you can use many beat-aware effects to alter the stem without touching the other ones. For example, using the slicer pad bank. Additionally, you can also use the loop controls to loop your stem, again without touching the other parts of the track. You also have the ability to scratch the stem. As you can see, the stem's effects control in Virtual DJ is an awesome new addition. We invite you to jump in, play around, and get creative. That'll do it for this tip of the day. We hope you found it helpful. If you have an idea you'd like to see in our next tip, email tipoftheday@virtualdj.com.
On Streams LLC. Broadcast live and effortlessly using Icecast hosting servers. You can quickly and easily stream your station all over the world while keeping track of who is listening and where they're from. What is Icecast? Icecast is a streaming server that allows radio stations to effectively broadcast audio online. This is known as webcasting. It is powerful and stable, meaning you can throw all of your internet radio traffic at it without having crashes or other problems. Audio listeners can access the stream through any player. Icecast has mount points, meaning and automatically transfers listeners from the auto DJ to the live stream and back again without needing to manually turn anything on or off. There are 3 stages of the broadcasting process. You don't need any complicated or expensive software or hardware at your end either. A simple desktop PC and broadband connection will work fine. Is Icecast a professional-grade solution? Very much so. Icecast is an industry-standard platform used by thousands and thousands of radio stations all over the world. Its wide compatibility means people can listen to most players and operating systems. Listeners will be able to connect to your MP3 stream from all over the world, with all the popular media players including Windows Media Player, iTunes, Winamp, RealPlayer, XMMS, and many more media players besides. Although incredibly simple, it can cope with even the heaviest demands and will not break under pressure. Its simplicity works to the broadcaster and listener's favor. How easy is it to use Icecast? Icecast has mount points, which means it automatically transfers listeners from the auto DJ to the live streaming and back again without having to manually turn anything on or off. So you connect and all the listeners are transferred from the auto DJ to the live streaming and then back again when you are finished. This, unlike WHM Sonic, works with MP3 streams, so it works with any media player, i.e., Windows Media, RealPlayer, iTunes, Winamp, even Flash players. Icecast hosting servers is similar to SHOUTCast in many ways. However, it allows you to stream using MP3, OGG, AAC+, or Opus-supported media. All Icecast hosting packages will include free auto DJ, Our Auto DJ system will allow you to upload your MP3s to the system and to be able to select multiple playlists and stream 24/7 without having your computer on all the time.
I guess only time gone. You gotta give me dirty love. I guess I'm down to. When I can't find any words I lie, look up and see the stars in the perfect line. Perfect kid. The feeling of love is a global. So tell me how you feel. Knowing I see the world when I look in your eyes. Your kisses are Duracell that keep me energized. Tired of going back and forth, baby, I'm hypnotized. You got a nigga, I'm in love on the low though. I'm looking at you and I swear it's been a long road. A greater ass, a better mind, what a combo. You know you pretty and you winning with the combo. She kinda tipsy, we been drinking, she a lightweight. She love the way I put them panties in the right way. But anyway, let's get back to how I've been feeling. I just love the times when I'm beside you, holding me down cause you're my rider. I look in your eyes and I get higher, cause nothing in this world I hold tighter. Without you I feel uneven. Make every day our love season. Baby girl, you know you're my rider. That should be enough reason. Call you baby, that's only your title, cause I don't need no more rivals. You gotta give me that. I put that on the Bible. You gotta give me that. You're the only thing that I want. You gotta give me that. Give me that feeling. Make every day a love season. Dirty lover, you're my rider. That should be enough reason. I call you baby, that's only your title, cause I don't need no more rivals. I put that on the Bible. I'm a loyal to my time gone. I've been hearing, trust me, I've seen it all before though. I told my ex for me, relationships are no-no. And here I am thinking we perfect like a photo. You looking at me like right now you need some mama. I know you ready and willing, but that ain't my place. I know you wanna settle down, yeah. Feeling starting to get too familiar. Let's cover up this broken love treason. Make every day our love season. Dirty lover, you are my rider. That should be enough reason. I call you baby, that's only your title, cause I don't need no more rivals. I put that on the Bible. You're the only thing that I want. Give me that feeling. Make every day our love season. Dirty lover, you are my rider. That should be enough reason. Call you baby, that's only your title, cause I don't need no more rivals. I put that on the Bible. I'm a liar till my time's gone. You say you see us side by side, like a visionary. I can't see me falling. Nothing strange. Like a dictionary, I can't read through all this. Eyes wide open, I still fall blind. I don't know how this will end. Let's go back to the beginning. Let's cover up this broken love treason. Make every day your love season. Dirty lover, you are my rider. That should be enough reason. Call you baby, that's only entitled. I don't need no more rivals. I put that on the Bible. You're the only thing that I want.
Radio DJ or host looking to broadcast your show over the internet to the world? Or are you starting your own internet radio station for the first time to share your passion for music? Let us show you why Sam Broadcaster is the #1 selling internet radio broadcast automation software in the world for the past 10 years and the #1 choice for the top online broadcasters. Sam Broadcaster is the only internet radio automation system developed from the start for internet broadcasters. Everything you need included in one single software solution. Sam Broadcaster contains powerful audio processing to help you sound like a pro, even if you have never broadcasted before. Advanced Media Library Management allows you to easily manage and organize over 100,000 songs, broadcast live music and talk shows, or totally automate your station to run 24/7. Sam allows you to encode your stream in multiple formats like MP3, AAC, or Windows Media to major streaming server types like SHOUTCast, Icecast, or Windows Media. Sam integrates perfectly with your website, allowing you to display what is playing right now on your station, and even allowing your listeners to browse your music library and request songs in real time. Click the button below to download the 14-day trial. That is enough time for you to fall in love with the powerful features that will help make your online station a success. Start your radio DJ career now. Who knows? You may be the next star of internet broadcasting. So what are you waiting for? Download now and get going.
Yeah. Usher Raymond. Yeah. Thugger. Yeah. Go right up. Yeah. Make it say, no limit. Got that masterpiece. No limit, baby. Can get that black car. No limit. Just know when you roll with somebody like me, there's no limit, baby. Make it say, no limit. I see murder that. No limit, baby. Get that ghetto D, girl. No limit. Just know when you roll with somebody like me, there's no limit, baby. You know you fine, baby, you know that you fine. I'm just trying to make you mine, trying to make you mine. Yeah, I'm trying to make you mine. Put a tingle in your spine. We got a vibe, we got a way. You should ride on it. All of the places I can take you, girl, is limitless. So if you've never been, girl, I would just love to take you there. You don't have to worry about a thing. I gotta let me show you better than. Cause I may not know you, just let me hold you. You be my soldier, like you from the north. Make it say, no limit. Got that masterpiece. No limit, baby. Can get that black car. No limit. Just know when you roll with somebody like me, there's no limit, baby. Make it say, no limit. I see murder that. No limit, baby. Get that ghetto D, girl. No limit. Just know when you roll with somebody like me, there's no limit, baby. Cars on decline, baby, the cars on decline. We roll with me and we shine, baby, we shine. Yeah, little mama, we shine. Just pick a destination. Go ahead, show me you can get like everything. Show me like any car, any house, baby, you can get like any ring, anything. Then I can knock it down. Through the night, through the day, yeah. I can knock it out. Baby, you call the Sugar Ray, yeah. Cause I may not know you, just let me hold you. You be my soldier, like you from the north. Make it say, no limit. Got that masterpiece. No limit, baby. Can get that black car. No limit. Just know when you roll with somebody like me, there's no limit, baby. Make it say, no limit. I see murder that. No limit, baby. Get that ghetto D, girl. No limit. Just know when you roll with somebody like me, there's no limit, baby. You found out that wine, baby girl, I ain't lying. Made my homie drop a dime, commit a crime, jeopardize my lifeline, just to see your vital sign. Ain't no limit, baby, we do it like it. Ain't no limit, baby, when you a starter. Marta outsmart the robber. Build a session with Bacardi Barbies. Kerosene. Promise spin one machine. Same way to prima donna. Never limit, I'm a stunner. Till it out them never runners. Them boys, they all beginners. Follows interact with them. I'ma spend my night with them. I can put carrots all over you. Carrots all over you. Never mind me on the pop. Man, I been getting high with these fools. And she said all her friends fake, so she solo rockin'. And she a real bad. She ain't gotta Photoshop it. No limit. I see murder that. No limit, baby. Get that ghetto D, girl. No limit. Just know when you roll with somebody like me, there's no limit, baby.
If your hosting account includes auto DJ capabilities, you will need to upload your media files to your hosting provider's server before the auto DJ can broadcast them. Note that some stream hosting accounts do not include auto DJ capabilities. If yours does not, well, instead, be performing a live broadcast and you should skip directly to your first broadcast section. You may upload media files to the server in one of two ways. Using FTP. This is the most robust, reliable, and fastest method for uploading media files. However, it requires that you install special software on your home computer to perform the upload. You can learn more about FTP and the uploading media via the FTP section of the Advanced Usage Guide. Using the web-based file manager. This is the more convenient method for uploading media files, as it works with your existing web browser. This method is described below. To upload media for your Auto DJ. 1. In the navigation panel at the left-hand side of the screen, click Files under the Auto DJ heading. Chapter 2. Basic Usage Guide 7. 2. Click the Upload button at the bottom of the page. The File Upload dialog should appear. 3. Click the Select Files button. A file browser dialog should open, allowing you to browse your home computer for the media files you want to upload. 4. Select the media files you want to upload and click the Open button at the bottom of the dialog. Note that in most cases only MP3 audio files will be compatible with your Auto DJ, although your hosting provider may advise you of other file types you may be able to use. 5. The upload should begin immediately. Wait for the upload to complete, and then optionally repeat steps 3 to 5 until you have uploaded all of the media files you want to use. 6. Click the Close button to close the file upload dialog. When you have finished using the file manager, click the Return button at the bottom of the page to return to the main SHOUTCast interface. Further information about file uploads is provided in the Uploading Files section of the Reference Manual. 2.2.4 Adding Media to a Playlist. In this section, we explain how to add your media to a basic playlist to be broadcasted on your station. While SHOUTCast supports a variety of advanced scheduling options, for the purpose of this basic guide we will simply use a basic sample playlist that plays all tracks in random order. More advanced broadcast scheduling options are described in the Creating Advanced Playlists section of the Advanced Usage Guide. To add your media to a playlist for broadcasting. 1. In the navigation panel at the left-hand side of the screen, click Media under the Auto DJ heading. The Media Library interface should appear, and you should see the artists of the tracks you uploaded in the center pane. 2. Click on one of your artists and, while still holding down the mouse button, drag it into the standard rotation playlist on the left-hand side of the page. This will add all tracks by the selected artist to the playlist. 3. If you prefer to add individual tracks instead of entire artists, you may optionally click on the artist. Then click on one of the artist's albums, and then drag the individual tracks into the standard rotation playlist instead. 4. Repeat step 2 and/or 3 for each of your artists, albums, and/or tracks. Note that you can also hold the Control key while clicking the artists, albums, or tracks to select more than one at once, and then drag them all at the same time. When you have finished adding media to the playlist, click the Return button at the bottom of the page. Note that when adding media to a playlist, the changes are saved automatically and instantly as soon as you drop the tracks into the playlist, so no further saving is necessary.
Just me tied down on the way to the beach. 4 bad chicks in the middle of the street. Roll right up and they all hopped in. Now we in the sand having lunch on me. Told a girl don't let your feet get wet. We about to grab some drinks and head to my condo. You could be my weekend guest. I'm in her head, so I know we about to get started. One thing led to the next. Now she got her hands all over my body. I ain't trying to stop, and I know she with it. I can see it in her eyes. She been down from the beginning, and she can't leave me alone. Cause I drive her body crazy. I done gave her a little taste. Now she wanna have my babies. Chillin' in Miami in the middle of free. Got 3 bad friends and they all on me. Now me and baby girl been chillin' all week, and all we do is fuck, drink and sleep. That's all we do is fuck, drink and sleep. All we do is fuck, drink and sleep. Chillin' in Miami in the middle of free, and all we do is fuck, drink and sleep. Now we on up balcony chillin'. She loving the view when we smoke. I'm loving it too while I stroke. Got the stars looking down on us. Do it to the sunrise up. Beat, 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 take a drink, go to sleep. She a freak, she can get it right up. Man, shot it like the Energizer. She just wanna ride, she never tire. She cooking naked, eggs and some bacon. After I eat that, I treat that, then eat that again. And again, and again. I ain't tryna stop, and I know she with it. I can see it in her eyes. She been down from the beginning, and she can't leave me alone. Cause I drive her body crazy. I done gave her a little taste, now she wanna have my babies. Oh, chillin' in Miami in the middle of free. Got 3 bad friends and they all on me. Now me and baby girl been chillin' all week. And all we do is fuck, drink and sleep. All we do is fuck, drink and sleep. All we do is fuck, drink and sleep. We fuck and drink. Chillin' in Miami in the middle of free. And since she came, all we do is fuck, drink and sleep. Turn up. Just like that. No, stop. Posted up in that 305. Yeah, you know it's just me and mine. Free, all we do is chillin' in Miami in the middle of free. Got 3 bad friends and they all on me. Now me and baby girl been chillin' all week. And all we do is fuck, drink and sleep. That's all we do is fuck, drink and sleep. All we do is fuck, drink and sleep. Chillin' in Miami in the middle of free. And all we do is fuck, drink and sleep. Drink, sleep. Drink, sleep. Drink, sleep. Drink, sleep.
Hello. This is Daisy Single XEON for Core E31270V5 of XEON Streams LLC. XEON RLC DJ streams, club streams, server types, SHOUTCast server v2.x auto DJ type, SC_trans v2 and now offering, server type, Icecast v2 auto DJ type, liquid soap included with Icecast SSL/TLS secure connection tune and link for your listener tune, link midjaname.zeonstreams.com:9100. For all RLC Icecast DJ streams for your SSL/TLS secure tune and links is midjaname.zeonstreams.com:9100. Open a ticket in our XEON Streams SSL/TLS secure URL support and let us know your preferred DJ name you like on your secure tune and link. All Icecast servers v2 comes with RLC profile players. Please note, SHOUTCast servers you have to upgrade on www.shoutcast.com and pay their $9.95 premium to enable SSL/TLS secure tune and links and to have an RLC profile player enabled. New SSL/TLS exclusive services. Why get SSL? Easy, super easy setup. Secure SSL radio link. Alexa, use SSL with Alexa app. Add SSL radio player on site. Panel edit and make changes. Supports SHOUTCast, Icecast, and more. Get your SSL secure link. The solution for SSL streaming from XEON Streams LLC. Introducing SSL Secure Stream Link, a XEON Streams service that provides a way to use our secure HTTPS platform alongside your existing streaming provider. No need to move to a new provider just to get a secure HTTPS stream address. XEON Streams broadcasters, as well as non-XEON Streams broadcasters, are welcome to purchase and use this item. XEON Streams will provide you with a secure HTTPS streaming radio link that you can use in a fully secure manner. This link works on Google Chrome, the responsive radio player, standard audio players for websites, free Muses radio player, and many other platforms. The best part: there is no need to change providers. Use the Secure Streams HTTPS address we will provide you with and it will broadcast your radio station in a fully secure manner. Sign up, submit your current listen live stream URL and XEON Streams will provide you with an HTTPS address you can use on your website, or anywhere you need to provide a secure link, and we will automatically forward the HTTPS address to your existing stream. If you are planning to broadcast your radio station on Amazon Alexa, you can use a secure SSL link. Non-SSL links on Amazon Alexa are also okay to use. So order your XEON Streams SSL secure stream link today. This service is also ideal if you regularly change streaming providers and would like to have one single URL to provide to platforms such as TuneIn, iTunes, and other directories and not have to worry about updating your stream in multiple locations and potentially lose listeners. Just use our secure streams URL in all these places, and then, if you need to update your stream or you change provide. Things to know: this SSL link does not override your current radio links. This item creates a new fully secure radio link, so your current links will not display the SSL icon. Our secure SSL links are great for those needing a secure web radio player on their website. These links also work great with Amazon Alexa or broadcasters who change streaming providers a lot. Secure SSL link: you use your station name or DJ name on your SSL/TLS link and we will create your domain on our server and point it on our server. So order your SSL secure TuneIn links now at www.on-streams.com today.
I just like the sound of it.
You hooked on like it's phonics. So tell me what you really bout. Or is it gonna be difficult to make me have to figure out? I've been trying to put it down. Everybody looking every second that you come around.
Just like the sound.
Got some Henny, no champagne. Loud to get you higher than a damn plane. Stuntin', baby, I'ma do my damn thing. Dope flow like it's flowing through my damn veins. I've been spitting fire. If I don't bring the dope, really tell me who's supplying. Love it when I'm gripping on that body, no pliers. You touching cloud 9, think it's time to take you higher. You can do it in a late night, late night, late night, late night, late night, late night, late night. Is it with it in a late night, late night, late night, late night, late night, late night, late night. Busy in a late night, late night, late night, late night, late night, late night, late night. Never lifted in a late night, late night, late night, late night, late night, late night, late night. Is it with it in a late night, late night, late night, late night, late night, late night, late night. Do it in a late night, late night, late night, late night, late night, late night, late night. Is it with it in a late night, late night, late night, late night, late night, late night, late night. Busy in a late night, late night, late night, late night, late night, late night, late night. Lifted in a late night. Yeah, make her you dangerous. I can make you famous. You know that I love the way you touch up on
Damn, me so dope, it's bananas. Do a little demo, let it hammer. Maybe too much, try to handle. I've been staying lit like a candle. Hardest being pics like a Van Gogh. Tryna pull up on the strip with the banzo. Dope flow, beat it up in the bando. Late night, late night, late night, late night, late night, late night, late night. Is it with it? Late night, late night, late night, late night, late night, late night, late night. Busy in a late night, late night, late night, late night, late night, late night, late night. Never lifted in a late night, late night, late night, late night, late night, late night, late night. Is it with it in a late night, late night, late night, late night, late night, late night, late night. Do it in a late night, late night, late night, late night, late night, late night, late night. Is it with it in a late night, late night, late night, late night, late night, late night. Damn it, girl, you dangerous. I can make you famous. You know that I love the way you touch upon me. Yeah, we making changes. Try to why they hating. Making we go stun on all these haters all day. I'm that OG. If I got them out of me, the hit or OD. So I'm benefiting, thinking maybe you're three. Wanted in a late.
Ladies and gentlemen, prepare yourselves for full immersion. And now, get ready to hear the sounds from your sexy DJ Rockin' Jeffrey, who's now live at JJ Radio Internet, leading format of internet radio. Get ready to turn up your volume to the best goddamn DJ from Sunnyvale, California. Your DJ rocking in your car, at your favorite bar and shit. Oops, did I say shit again? Sorry, I just did. So reach for the dial and turn up your volume now.
Hey there, it's Brandon from Virtual DJ back with another tip of the day. Now, as a professional DJ, you might encounter some situations like at a festival or in a club where you need to play on standalone DJ gear and bringing a laptop simply isn't feasible. Now, with the latest release of Virtual DJ, you can still export your set list and tracks to a USB flash drive and take it with you to play directly on Pioneer CDJs or other compatible standalone players. Now, while these units will not have all the powerful features that you are used to when using Virtual DJ directly, you will still have all of your cue points, saved loops, and other database information, as well as the ability to export and play your stem separations files. Here's how to do it. First, you'll need to have a USB drive that is formatted properly. Now, it needs to be formatted in either FAT32 or HFS file system. However, we recommend that you use FAT32 as it can be used with both Windows and Mac computers. Now, most USB flash drives will come formatted for FAT32 direct from the factory, so you shouldn't have to take any extra steps. However, if you do need to reformat, you can easily do so via right-clicking on the drive in Windows Explorer or on your Mac in your Disk Utilities application. Now, open Virtual DJ and then the left-hand folder list, scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on the CDJ export folder. Virtual DJ will then expand and show the USB drive that you just formatted or any other compatible USB drive. Now right-click on your thumb drive and select Create New Playlist. Now give your playlist a name, then browse or search your library for the tracks you wish to add, then click and drag them to your playlist. After adding your tracks to the playlist, Virtual DJ will ask you if you wish to add stems files. Now because CDJs don't support real-time stem separation, you can still have Virtual DJ create the individual stems tracks if you choose to. Now click OK and Virtual DJ will begin to export to the USB drive. You can see the progress in the status message area next to the search bar. Now because CDJs rely heavily on playlists for track organization, it might be a good idea to use subfolders to organize your multiple playlists. Now right-click on the USB drive and select Create Subfolder. Now give your subfolder a name. Now you can create a new playlist inside the subfolder and go ahead and add tracks to this new playlist. Now repeat this process to create new playlists or other subfolders. Then search your library to add new tracks by dragging and dropping until you are satisfied with your thumb drive library content and organization. Remember, Virtual DJ will continually export to the USB drive as you make changes. Just note the status message next to the search bar. Additional options such as auto-sync cue points and auto-generating the stems files are also found by right-clicking on your USB drive. Now that we have finished exporting, go ahead and close Virtual DJ and eject your drive via Windows or OS X eject function. Now, insert this drive into your CDJ. Mount the thumb drive by pressing on the USB button on the CDJ, and you are now ready to rock your gig with the ability to browse your playlist, load tracks, all with their own cue points, search and sort using all tag fields, and also have the individual stems files to load in order to remix your tracks. As you can see, Virtual DJ makes it simple and easy, even if you're not even using the actual software. That'll do it for this tip of the day. We hope you found it helpful. If you have an idea you'd like to see in our next tip, email tipoftheday@virtualdj.com.